How to add page numbers in Google Docs. This is what I'm going to show you in this video. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. Insert the page number. You need to click insert. From the drop down menu, go to the page number, and from here you can select one out of these four options. Towards the right side, the two options are the options in which your first page would not be numbered. You might like to select this option when your first page is a title page, and generally the title page is not numbered, so you would like to select this on the top. If you select this, your page would be numbered on the header towards the right side. But in case you select the option of the footer, then you will have the option page number on the footer. And in case you want your first page also to be numbered, then you can select these two options. The top one is where your page would be numbered on the top right side on towards the header, and this will give the page number on the footer towards the right side. And you also have the more options where you can make the selections from here, whether you want the page to be in the header or in the footer, whether you want the page to be shown on the first page, and then you can add the page number from where you want it to start, and you can just press apply, and then it will be shown on that place. Like in this case, it is showing the page number on the page on the header on towards the right side, while it is showing the page 0 on the first page, because our selection here was 0. So if I make this 1, and if I skip this, don't show it on the page 1, so it will not show the page number on the page 1, and it will start from page 2. So this is how you can add the page number in Google Docs. Thank you for watching this video till the end. If you like this video, hit the like button, share and subscribe.